Sunday morning. How to make apple is you need one apple, eat it and cut it, and you can put in the plate. Then set in the plate and knife you put it here like this. After that, we're going to make lemonade. So how to make lemonade is we slice one lemon, squeeze the lemon with a squeezer, and we add sugar, and then we add salt, then we mix it. Then we add soda to make our healthy snack of morning.